Welcome to my channel, Smart Kiddos. My name is Pratiksha, and today I'm going to continue in the Python series, teaching Python for kids and beginners. Very, very simple. So in my previous videos, I taught you how to use the print function. I taught you how to use many operators in Python, and I also taught you input and concatenation. If you haven't seen those videos, please check them out later. What are we going to learn today in this video? Today I will teach you guys how to use if, elif, and else statement, and we will use our knowledge to make a cool project. So let's start. So here I'm in replit.com and I have signed in. If you don't know how to sign in, please check out my previous video. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to create a new REPL. I'm going to select Python as template and I'm going to give it the name if, elif, and else statement. When I create the REPL, I will get this new screen.
So let's start with the if statement. We actually use the if statement in our daily lives because we get many problems, but we have to find the best solution to our situation. So we look at each problem step by step. Let me explain more by using weather. So if the weather is sunny, then we can go have a picnic. But what if the weather is rainy? Then we have to stay indoors. So how can we type this in code? First, we're going to create a variable. I'm going to call it weather. I'm going to give it a value of sunny. So if weather is equal to sunny, then we print you can go for a picnic. So when we run this, we get this result. And always remember, when you're doing if statement, you have to put an indentation here because if we do this, it'll give us a error. So always put a indentation or a gap right here. Now let's say the weather is rainy. Then what will happen? Well, when we run this again, we don't get any result because we have only given the code if the weather is sunny. So now we have to put else. So I'll put else print you have to stay indoors. So when I run this, I get the expected result. So basically the else just sees if this code is possible. If it is not possible, then it has to execute this. Now I'm going to go and teach you guys elif. So let's say the weather is not rainy or not sunny. Let's say the weather is cloudy. So when I type cloudy here, it prints this. But no, this is not the actual thing because we have to give another result. Like, you can go for a picnic, but be careful. So we have to put elif. So let me put elif right over here. So elif weather is equal to cloudy print, you can go for picnic, but be careful. When I run this, I get this result.
Now we're going to do our cool project. For this cool project, we're going to use the Goldilocks example. So we're going to use a scenario where Goldilocks checks the three chairs and sees which chair is best for her. So the first chair, which is Daddy Bear's chair, is too hard. The second chair, which is Mommy Bear's chair, is too soft. And the third chair, which is Baby Bear's chair, is just right. So let's type this in code. So I'm going to give the variable chair, and I'm going to give input. What chair are you sitting on, Goldilocks? So let's type if chair is Daddy Bear's chair, then we print this chair is too hard for you, Goldilocks. Okay, so let's run this. So, what chair are you sitting on, Goldilocks? Well, I am sitting on Daddy Bear's chair. When I click enter, this chair is too hard for you, Goldilocks. Super. Now let's continue. Let's say the chair is Mommy Bear's chair. So, elif chair is Mommy Bear's chair. Then we print this chair is too soft for you, Goldilocks. When I run this again, I will type Mommy Bear's chair. When I click enter, we get the expected result. This chair is too soft for you, Goldilocks. Now, finally, let's say it's neither Daddy Bear's chair nor Mommy Bear's chair. It's Baby Bear's chair. We don't have to type, again, chair is equal to blah, blah, blah. We can just type else. So, else, print your chair is Baby Bear's chair, and it is just right. When I run this, I'm going to type Baby bear's chair. So even though we haven't given the code for this, it has to execute else because there is no code for this, which is matching this, or code for this, which is matching this. So it has to execute else. So when I click enter, your chair is baby bear's chair and it is just right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!